Behold, an all-new snake juice recipe that'll work for everybody. So there's no more fucking confusion, okay? So before doing anything I say, go consult your fucking local drug dealing doctor that's killed more people in both world wars to make sure it's okay. Let's begin. So, this recipe starts with 2 liters of water, but not limited to. I'll get to that later. So for 2 liters of water, you got potassium chloride powder. Okay, so no salt is one brand you can get. There's salt free. There's Now makes a brand called potassium chloride powder. You can order that one off the internet. There's Morton makes one, potassium chloride fucking powder, like salt. There's a fucking million of them. Go fucking figure it out. Potassium chloride powder source. They're all the same shit. You need 1 teaspoon. That yields you about 2,560 milligrams. Okay, so you have 2,560 milligrams of potassium in that 2 liters of water. Second, sodium chloride. Okay, via Himalayan pink salt is a really good salt source. There's other sodium chloride salt sources. There's going to be some high-grade sea salts. You could use those, actually. Okay? But we're going to do it with Himalayan pink salt. That's this. Himalayan pink salt. Okay? You're going to put in 1/2 teaspoons in 2 liters of water of the Himalayan pink salt. That yields you 840 milligrams of sodium from the pink salt. Okay, thirdly, sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda. So here's Red Mill baking soda. There's also fucking baking soda made by Arm & Hammer that does not have fucking aluminum in it, okay? And don't confuse baking powder with baking soda, okay? Now if you're in a pinch, you could use the Arm & Hammer, but this shit's fucking pure. The Arm & Hammer's been processed. Okay, Red Mill baking soda. Now, of the baking soda, you want to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in your 2 liters of water. That works out to 1,080 milligrams of sodium. So basically what I've done is I've cut half of the sodium chloride source back and added in the baking soda to make up the difference in sodium. Okay, simple. Shit's fucking awesome for your fucking kidneys. And that's what's going to make this taste way better so you guys aren't bitching about the fucking taste. Fourthly, magnesium sulfate. This version here is Epsom salt. Okay? You gotta make sure it's food grade. Okay, like this one on the back actually says that you could use it as a laxative. So I know it's ingestible. Okay, food grade. This one's made by West Point. Okay? Magnesium sulfate. That's how we get this magnesium in. In worst case scenario, if you can't find the magnesium, you can cut it temporarily. It's not going to kill you. We haven't used magnesium the whole fucking time. I'm just adding it in now. Okay? So you want 1/2 teaspoon of the fucking Epsom salt, which yields you about 200 milligrams of magnesium from my calculations. So now that's for 2 liters. So here's the special part. You can drink as much as you fucking want. Okay? Drink as much snake juice as you want. So if you run out of that 2 liters, mix up another batch. You can drink 4 liters of this and ain't gonna kill you. Okay? And then no fresh water with this routine though. You're drinking fucking snake juice. You're not eating and you're drinking this. Okay, if you wanted to, you could mix up fucking 4 liters right off the bat and double everything. Okay, this is as idiot fucking proof as I can fucking make this. Okay, and I'll be updating this. Maybe there'll be another salt I might throw in there. I didn't put borax on here because too many people will fuck it up. Okay, because you need so little. So there's your fucking snake juice fucking recipe. Okay? So stop fucking eating. Start drinking this fucking snake juice. It actually tastes pretty good. It tastes almost like water. Okay? And fucking get that fat in ya.